Welcome to Joy Property Guide. Today we are taking you through one of the most prominent commercial in Noida Extension or Greater Noida West near the properties Boulevard Walk by Home and Soul. This is the actual construction status as of 10th of September 2020. They are developing retail shops, office space, business suites. On second floor, Patanjali has already taken 11,000 square feet. So if someone need a pre-leased property for rental or investment purpose, this is one of the best option. 16 lakh rupees is the investment amount and people are getting 8% return till 9 years. You can consider it as lifetime because that will be renewed after that. This is the landscaping view which will come up. Landscaping work is going on in full swing. On right hand side, you see Noida to Greater Noida connecting road, 130-meter fully functional road, and it is surrounded by some of the most prominent residential property. In front, you have your God Sondaram, which is considered to be one of the premium residential property. On lower ground floor, first floor and second floor, they will be coming up with retail. So this is just like a replica of ambience mall, I should say. Some new things has been added onto that. Multi-level car parkings are there. These are the society which is surrounding to this property. Here are actual structure is complete and it won't take much time for finishing work because most of the work internally has been done. I'll take you to the master plan and want to show how exactly that will look the moment it gives positions. On right hand side, the tower you see, that's the office tower. On left hand side, you have your studios and miscellaneous work. This is 130-meter road and greenery will be maintained by authority the way they do. Here are office space, retail shops, multi-level car parking, cinema hall, beautifully designed property. It has been one of the most talked about project in Noida Extension, and almost 4 malls are connecting to this place. So in future it will be a very prominent place for retail facilities. You can subscribe for more discussion.